Hi, my name is Jay Goodis, and I am the co-founder and CEO of Tax Templates Inc. This video will help you understand the colors used and other key components used throughout the TTI suite. For this video, I'll use the Personal Tax Scenario Total Worksheet. This worksheet provides personal tax projections, but is more flexible than tax preparation programs by allowing easy comparisons between different taxpayers, year ends, and/or provinces. The purple titles are used to separate major sections of the worksheets, such as tax results and tax balances. The blue titles are used in all other cases to identify relevant inputs and outputs of the worksheet. Where a title has a blue to green gradient, this means the title can be overridden. The yellow cells are used to bring your attention to mandatory inputs or input errors in the worksheet. They apply to tax year ends, tax jurisdictions, and other amounts critical to the scenario being solved. The most frequently used cells are a gradient of green to gray, which represents an optional input. When these cells are changed from their blank or default values, they will change to solid green to indicate an input or an override. In most worksheets, you'll find a pale yellow cells for notes and calcs. These cells can be used for visible notes or for any custom calculations you may need. By combining TTI's purpose-built calculations with the flexibility of Excel, the possibilities are endless. To help you navigate long worksheets quickly, you can use the gray link cells at the top left, which will take you to key areas such as the T1 inputs or detailed T1 results. Other links at the top of each worksheet, they will direct you to specific external resources, such as YouTube videos, real-life PDF examples, and FAQs. Throughout the TTI worksheets, you'll find small squares next to many cells. These are review ticks that allow users to visually communicate the completion or review status of worksheet cells. While you can use these as you prefer, we suggest using O to indicate a correct input, X for incorrect, and Q for questions or queries. For practices with multiple levels of review, you can use M for managers and P for partners. To illustrate this with an example, a user can populate the existing taxable income of a taxpayer. When complete, they can mark existing taxable income with an O. When the file is being reviewed by a manager or a partner, they can find the O cells and confirm them with an M or a P, or else set them as a Q and optionally leave a note explaining why. You'll find that the TTI suite is built with uniformity in mind, so you'll quickly become familiar when trying new worksheets regardless of the task at hand. The explanations in this video are also summarized in our one-page worksheet usage guide located in the Worksheet Support folder. This can be used as a quick reference until you become comfortable with the worksheet design. If you have any questions about the TTI suite, please let us know by emailing us at support@taxtemplates.ca.